Who versus whom. What's the difference? Who replaces he or she? Whom replaces him or her? Blank did this. Who did this? Or whom did this? If you answer this question, would you say he did this or him did this? Of course, he did this, right? And he is replaced by who? So who did this? Blank did you meet today? How would you answer this question? I met he or I met him. I met him, right? And him is replaced by whom? So whom did you meet today? Blank fixed my car. He fixed my car or him fixed my car? He, right? So we replace it by who? Who fixed my car? Blank did you invite to the party? I invited he or I invited him? Him, right? So we use whom here. Whom did you invite to the party? Blank do you love? I love he or I love him? Him, right? So we use whom here. Whom do you love? Surprise, right? You answer this one. Blank should I talk to? I talk to he or I talk to him? Which one? I want the answer here. Let me see your comments.